Good afternoon, students. I am Rishni. Will be teaching you moral science. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today onwards, you'll have your moral class. Am I right? Okay. Shall we start? Before getting into the lesson, first let's see good habits for children in daily life. Okay. First one, always help your friends. We should always help our friends, isn't it? If they are good in studies or good in playing games, you can appreciate them. So, always help your friends. Then, second one, go to play after finishing your homework. Then, always play together. Playing together is always fun, isn't it? So, when you are playing together, you can show up how good you are. So, always play together and also always obey the rules of the game. Okay. Then go to play after finishing your homework. That is, online classes, teachers are giving homework, isn't it? So first finish your homework, then after you can play any indoor games. Okay, don't go outside, play any indoor games. Stay home and stay safe. Then fourth one, be happy always. That is, when will you smile? When will you smile? If you are happy, you will smile. Do you know when we smile, our brain will relax. So be happy always. Then do exercise every day. Okay. Exercise isn't just for your body. Regular exercise can help you to reduce stress, feelings of anxiety. What is meant by anxiety? Fear. Okay. Feelings of fear. It will reduce stress, feelings of fear, and symptoms of depression. Okay. So regular exercise must. Then go to bed on time because we need 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night. Okay, so don't play with your mobile phones, go to bed on time. Then last one is share your things with others. They'll say sharing is caring. So sharing is a good habit. You can share pen, pencil, and etc. with your friends. So share your things with others. Okay, children. Let's move on the topic. Today we are going to discuss about the topic be respectful to others. Be respectful to others. First one, respecting our elders is our most duty, topmost duty. Okay, respecting our elders is our topmost duty. It is very important one. You should help and support your grandparents. Okay, don't get irritated if grandparents are not able to do their work of their own. Instead, you should help them to their works. Second one, we should talk to everyone with respect. Okay, how to maintain eye contact. You should speak sweetly to others. You should not shout at others. Okay. And third one, we should not hurt others. Okay, dear children. Now I'm going to tell one story. Listen carefully. Raju is a student of 7th standard. Another class liked him because he always teased others by giving double names. His teasing habit has earned him a bird name from all the teachers. There was no end to his teasing and he didn't obey his teachers. The main reason for Raju's ego and arrogance is the uncontrolled freedom he received from his parents. He got whatever he wanted. He has no worries, and this made him indifferent to the feelings of others. One day, while he was sitting on the wall, he saw a man with a curl of hair. On seeing that man's hair, Raju imitated the man's hair. He compares the hair with coriander leaf. Raju laughed. Immediately, that gentleman came towards Raju. Scared, Raju jumps from the wall, started running, and collided with the cycle. He falls down and feels terrible pain in the leg. Raju opens his eyes and finds that he is in hospital with big bandage on his right leg. His mother sitting next to him. The mother said to him, "Don't worry, dear Raju." Raju started crying. He said, "I can't go to school. I can't play. What will I do?" The mother replied, "After a week, you can go to school. Don't worry about anything." A week later, Raju walked slowly to the school. All the students all chorously clapped and laughed. Raju knows that they are teasing him. But what can he do? With tears in his eyes and pain in the heart, he quietly walks. Raju realized everything that if we tease others, at last we will get trouble. In the next day, Raju distributes sweets to the students and teachers. Everybody looking him with surprise. The teacher asked Raju, "Today is your birthday?" He smiled and said, "Yes." That answer contains the truth that the good and friendly Raju. So, my dear students, respect others, respect your elders, don't hurt others, talk to everyone with respect. Okay. Hope you understood. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.